Okay, so for today, you guys are going to give me the definitions of what we did yesterday. You should have listed the 5 health-related fitness components. So I'll give you the link for this website. Now, I don't want you to copy and paste these whole paragraphs right here. Their definitions are pretty much in the first sentence. So that's what I want you to put. So please do not copy and paste this whole paragraph here and go put it under muscular strength. That's not what I want you to do. Just a simple definition. I'm going to give you the link to this. And then down here, I want you to just list the skill-related components of fitness. So they're two different things. You have skill-related and health-related. So I don't need any definitions for those tonight. You are just going to list those, and I have the link to the website for that as well. Up here it has the 5 health-related components, which you guys already done. They even have some simple definitions if you want to use those, and you guys need to get familiar with those definitions. And then down here it has the 6 skill-related fitness components. So you're just going to take those and plug them in over here. Again, I do not need any definitions. You're only defining these 5, and you're only listing the 6 skills. So I have this website I'll give you the link to, and this website I'll give you the link to. And then that's all you're doing. You guys need to get familiar with these. We're going to be doing more with this week and maybe into next week. So if you have any questions about it, just let me know. It's pretty easy. Again, please just do not copy and paste this whole paragraph because they're pretty big. I would like for you to read them so you know exactly what each of these components are. And I want you guys to be able to tell the difference. And you're going to have to know the difference between the skill-related too. So you might as well just read all the definitions, get familiar, because we're going to use that in the future. So that's your assignment for today. If you have any questions, go ahead and email me. It's pretty straightforward. And as always, just make sure you go ahead and upload your document and save all your work, and then turn it in, and remember to take attendance.